Okay, so now we cover the what is the effects of alcohol consumption. So firstly, we need to first understand what are the effects of it on the brain in terms of reaction time increase and reduce self-control. The longer term effects like liver cancer, liver diseases, or even brain damages. And finally, what are the societal implications? So we all know that having alcohol, I mean excess alcohol has its harmful effects on the digestive system. First of all, alcohol stimulates acid secretion in the stomach. This will then cause your stomach acid to increase in production, leading to having the risk of gastric ulcers. So gastric ulcers are where your muscles actually have no your stomach actually have ulcers, and this will cause a lot of pain. Also, even so, your too much having too much alcohol will lead to cirrhosis of the liver. So it's like scarring of the liver. And this is where your liver cells are then destroyed. And then when they are replaced with all the other kinds of fibrous tissue, it makes the liver less able to function and you can see scars on it. So it will also lead to hemorrhage. Hemorrhage means internal bleeding in the liver, liver failure, and subsequently, when your liver loss of function, it will slowly lead to death. It can also have some impact on your nervous system. So alcohol is a natural depressant, and it helps to slow down some of your brain function. And these effects from person to person depending on how well your body is able to take up the alcohol. Okay, so but definitely it will be able to reduce self-control. So sometimes a person becomes very carefree, everything also don't care, and the alcohol takes away their self-control. So they may actually do things which they may regret about after the effects of alcohol have actually worn off. In terms of reaction time, we do see that it takes more time for the brain to process a certain function. That's where we say reaction time increase. Good example is like if you are driving and realize that there's an accident in front, to react to the accident is very hard. It takes a longer time as compared to someone who is more sober. So some of the behavior are like slur speeches, blur vision, poor muscular coordination, and people is not able to move steadily. The judgment will also deteriorate and they tend to underestimate the speed. So people may also drive faster with less caution and the reaction becomes slower. So drunk drivers would have this very higher tendency to be involved in traffic accidents. Longer term impacts on the brain is that like you have a wet brain where a type of dementia will be caused by brain damage. So alcohol helps to interfere with this absorption of your vitamins, especially B1, in the small intestine. And this is a vitamin that is needed in the enzymes to break away or break down sugar to release energy for cell activities. So you can see that you are like stuffing your brain from sugar so that you will slowly also, um, not be very familiar or reacting fast. Your brain volume also shrinks, such that when it becomes smaller than normal, some regions associated with memory and reasoning will also be lesser. Okay, so such heavy consumption, as especially during pregnancy, will also interfere with the development of your fetal brain. So the baby and what will not be able to have a healthy brain development, leading to longer term physical, mental, and behavioral problems. Next, we look at the social implication, where if let's say you have friends or people who become addicted to alcohol, they are unable to stop drinking and until they are really drunk and numb. And that's where you can see signs that their body is already dependent on alcohol. So alcoholics will then also end up neglecting their work and families. They can also exhibit violent behavior because of the lack of self-control. And this is especially true for family members. Okay. So they're also at a higher risk of committing crime because alcohol is expensive. And since they are not able to work and things like this, they struggle. So in order to get maybe funds, they start to commit crimes in order to satisfy their alcohol consumption. So that's mainly the whole idea of the social implication if you drink alcohol in excess. Okay. So that's the end of our this particular chapter. You can review the videos and then see you in the next lesson. Thank you.